So I got the dash camera now. On this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your product and a quick guide on how to set this up and what it looks like when it is working. So here's going to be the camera, super small, about the small as the palm of my hand. But even with that being so small, still has a huge 3-inch screen on the front, which is really, really cool. On top of the camera, you can get the charging cord here. This is standard. You plug it into your cigarette lighter and you plug into the camera. Super, super simple, very straightforward. You're going to get some stickers here. So how this works is just kind of two-sided tape. Stick it onto your window, but they also do give you some uh, extra stickers as well, just in case that you ever have to redo it or just move it around, stuff like that. They're going to give you a tool here to also get it off your window, so don't worry about it. You don't have to slide your credit card in there or anything like that. They give you a nice tool, make it simple. And they're going to give you a flash drive. So how this actually works is there is a micro SD card in here that they supply you with, which is super, super nice. And at some point, you just take that out, put it in your flash drive. So if you ever have to maybe give the video over to somebody, maybe you're in a car crash, something like that, you can upload this to your computer and you can give it to your insurance company, police, whatever, it is. So, but now at this point, I'm going to bring this into my car, hook this up, I'll show you what it looks like when it's working.
As for the assembly process, it's very easy. They give you a film that you can stick to your windshield, and then you just stick the camera right on there. But what's nice about this film is it'll block to make sure you don't have any marks left on your windshield if you would ever want to remove this camera down the line.
Okay, so now I got it installed in my car. As you can see, you're just sticking on the window. And what's cool is once you have it on there, you can actually just slide it off. So let's say you want to just take it off. You just slide it that way. We just put it right back on there. So you don't need to keep peeling it off your window, stuff like that. They also give you a bunch of these clips right here. So if you really want to get this cord, hidden, stuff like that, you can do that. All right, now how we work this, super easy. We're just going to turn it on like this. And it'll say hello to us. And then the big thing here is right when we turn it on, we want to format the memory card if it's the first time using it. And all you're going to do is you just press this button twice on the side. Just go power button twice, and it'll talk to you. And at that time, it'll say formatting the memory card. Now, it takes maybe
In
15,
addition
20
to the SD
seconds.
card, you can
It'll be
also connect this
formatted.
to
It'll show
Wi-Fi
yellow
so you can
here.
stream it
It'll
right to your
start
phone,
recording,
record
and you are
videos,
good
take
to
pictures,
go. So just
anything
kind of
like
line it
that.
up.
Super easy to do.
Get the
Just press
best view
add
we can. As you
recorder.
can
It's
see
going to tell you to
here,
plug it in.
love that
Now at
big
this
screen
point,
on
you're just
there.
going to
You
connect
can
it to
see
Wi-Fi,
everything
which is just go on
super
your phone,
clearly.
find the OK car Wi-Fi, and they're going to give you a password in your instruction manual. Just type that in as you would any other time you connect to Wi-Fi. You're good to go. It'll be connected.
Okay, so now that we connected the Wi-Fi password, it's just gonna go right back to the app, get you logged in, and be good to go. So now we got a live stream showing through that camera, which is really, really cool. So everything we see up there, we can see on our phone. Now at this point, we can take a picture if we want to take a picture. We just press that button. And hopefully you can hear that. It talks to you, says successfully taken the photo. We can also record if we want to record. So right now we are recording. So maybe if you just want to have that running all the time, you can do that, and we'll stop it here. And if you ever want to go back and look at the photos you've taken, we just press that button. It'll load the files, and here will be the photos that we have taken. On top of that, you can also go full screen mode. Just press that button here. There's also is a microphone on here, so if you want it to be listening to you, can have that turned on.
One
If you
thing that I
don't
did want
want
to
it to
show
be
off
listening
too
to
is
you,
the difference
you just
between
turn
day
that
and
off,
night. So this is the exact
and it'll
same
turn the
drive
microphone off.
out of
So
my
however you
house,
want to
and
do it,
I'm
whatever's
really,
going to be
really
best for your
impressed
situation,
with how
you should
good
be
it
able to
looks at
customize
night.
it
You can
and
still
get it
see
working
everything
amazing
very
for you.
clearly. Colors are vibrant, and it just looks great overall. So if you are going to be using this at night, do not fear. It's still going to work out great for you. And another cool thing too is even when you get far away from your house, 10 miles. So right now I'm just showing what it looks like on my phone. So the camera gives a live stream to your phone so you can, take a picture, do whatever you need to do, start recording, and it goes right to your phone as you're driving, which is really, really, really cool. So this was exactly what I was looking for in a dash camera. It was super easy to set up. It works amazing. It gives you different options where you can do it to your phone, use SD cards, so it should be able to work out great for you. So I give it 2 thumbs up.